Whee! It's me, Mario! I'm having so much fun flying! Whee! Nothing can go wrong now! Ooh, I have email! Ooh, this is hot! Okay, let's see what this is.
Hello, Mario. I've been wondering what happened. I bet you were wondering what happened to the princess, huh? Huh?
What?
Well, just to inform you, she got kidnapped again.
Bastard! Ooh, I think that really hurt, though.
Sorry about that. Al Junior! Yes, Papa. Could you fix the floor, please? Yes, sure, Papa.
It's the worst email he would give to me.
To get me and the princess. Oh yeah, and by the way, you have to beat me 3 times to get me. See you later, you mother.
Oh my God! My mother ain't God! Mama! God, seriously! God, you know what? I'm gonna get him right now. Stupid nerd. Damn. Where's Mario? I'm just starting to fall asleep. Eat this, huh? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Eat this. Eat this, you mother. Oh my God. Finally, but a big finale. You like that? Huh? Put me down! Get me down! Oh. You like that, huh? You like that? You like that? You like that, huh? Give me the key right now! Before I crash you again! Okay. Here's a damn key. Thank you! Dang stupid Mario. I'll get you, Mario. What's that you say? Nothing. I'll get that damn freaking Mario. This has been a Super Mario 64 plush movie by S. Stewie, inspired by Super Mario Logan, and of course Mega Man 765, and all the other YouTubers that were in one of those videos to save the world from Shadow Mario. Whatever. Anyways, I'll make another video in the future. That's right, Mario. What? Who said that? I'm just Stewie, you damn asshole. Oh, okay.